friends. How is everybody doing? All right, so we're back with another fun arts and craft video. Yeah, so a little bit of a review, and it's of a company that I've already worked for, and you've probably already seen or collaborated with, and you've already seen a video me doing a cross stitch from them, but it's sevengreat.com, which I'll put right here. So yeah, so go down in the description bar. I have listed their website link, and then they have a link to their Facebook page and their Instagram page as well. So definitely go check them out if you enjoy doing cross stitch and like other different sorts of embroidery and cross stitch craft projects. You'll really enjoy this website because they have so many beautiful designs and pictures to choose from, like lots of a variety on their website to choose from. Okay, so again, this video by them, it's not sponsored, but they kindly gifted me a few items that I was able to pick off of their website, and I could show them to you today as a review. And this video is going to be done in two separate videos. So this video is just a little bit of an unboxing. I have the items here all on my table, so I'll just show you so I picked up 3 items. So I'll show you the 3 items that I picked up. And then in a second video, because I have a cross stitch pattern, we're going to do some cross stitch together. So that will be in the second video. And that's the same layout that I did the last time. If you remember my last video, I actually put the picture right here. It was a beautiful sewing machine. Yes, I'm still working on it because it's quite a large cross stitch, and this one as well is another large picture. But this was the the sewing machine that I did, and it was so pretty, and I was so happy to get that from the company to review and look at. And yeah, so I'll just go right into this video. So I picked up 3 items. I picked up 2 items from their tools section, which could be anything from embroidery hoops and all your embroidery supplies, everything that you need for cross stitch, 80 cloth. You could do, there were sewing items there, like pin cushions and like cute little pin cushions and other things like that. Bobbin holders for the floss, for the embroidery thread. So there's a bunch of different things. Oh my goodness, and a variety pair of scissors. I was hoping to maybe get a pair of really fancy gold or antique gold scissors, but I didn't pick that up. But go check out all the tools section on the website because they're really, really pretty. So 2 items that I picked up was actually a really cute pin cushion. So this one is just their regular little pin cushion, and there was 5 different colors. Now there was the blue gingham, which we love. We know we love our blue gingham, and it was pink gingham, and I think there's black, and there might have been red. There's a couple different colors, but I was really hoping to, because it's random, like you don't know what color you're gonna get, so they're gonna send you blue, or I wanted to get either the blue or the pink one. I was so excited that I got the blue, and I just put a couple of my cute pearl these are my sewing pins when I do sewing. So I just put a couple of pins in there just so you could see. So it's a really nice wooden base that the little pin cushion is on. So now I can use this for my sewing, but I can also use it for cross stitch as well, because the cross stitch came with the little embroidery. Yeah, these are all the little embroidery needles, and I can put them in the little pin cushion too if I'm using them when I'm doing the cross stitch. So in the tools section, this was really cute. I love how there's the lace and then one pattern here of cotton fabric and the other bit of cotton fabric on this side, which is the really pretty blue gingham. And then, well, I'll just show it to you. This is all the floss. This is one big giant section of floss that I got that's in the cross stitch that I picked out. So what I did for my second tool item is I picked up the embroidery bobbins. So these are just the plastic embroidery bobbins, and that's all it is just, it looks like this. And then you always take your embroidery floss and thread and you just wind it around the bobbins, and then you have the tail can just go right in the little slit right there, and then it just holds it all together. And what you can do is you can put a little sticker on these and you just label, because each of the, even this one, if you see white, this number is, oh, sorry, it's backwards, but it's 5,200 is the number for the white embroidery floss. So yeah, so then I picked up the bobbins, and so this was a package of 20. I also know on the website they have a package of 100, so I just decided to pick up the package of 20. So that was my second tool item. And also for any of the items that you want to check on the website, the company Sevengreat was really nice enough to give me a coupon code, and I'm pretty sure it's the same coupon code I used last time. So I'll put it right here. It's Jenny06 off. So if you just put that in, you'll get 6% off of your order. So that's always great to have a little bit of savings when you are doing some things. Yeah, so pretty much the name, I'll put all the links to the products down below. So you just have to click the link and it'll take you right to the little items. This, I believe, was just called easily, it was just called, what's it called? Just a round pincushion, wooden base, random color. So that was this one. These ones are just called plastic floss thread bobbins. So that's the name of this one. And let's get into my fun cross stitch project that I got. It's gonna be a large one, but look how gorgeous that is. It is a beautiful cross stitch of this sort of green, it's a little bit on like the grayish blue, but when I was looking at the floss, it's mainly like a really pretty minty green is what the coloring is going to be. And it is a beautiful dress pattern that I'm really excited to work on because it's going to match the coloring of my bedroom so perfect. And I know exactly where I'm going to put it once I finish it. So this is the project that we're also going to work on together, and I'll have that all set up in a second video. This is just a showcasing of the actual product. So this is your, what I call instructions and key. They give you a picture of the item that you're working on. Full on instructions are right here of actually how to do the cross stitch, because it is a stamped cross stitch, which means the pattern of the key. Now look at this, it's quite big. It's a big project, which is really great. Look how good that's gonna be. Such a good picture, because I know exactly where this is going in my bedroom. I have like the perfect spot for it. But yep, this is the dress pattern, which I'm really excited about. And so all these tiny little symbols and colors, you can go on the actual Adia cloth, because this is the cloth that you're actually going to be stitching on. You can go on the key down here, and then it coincides with all of the numbers that are up top there on your embroidery floss, or you can just have that plain by itself and you use your instruction manual here and you use the key that is down here for the dress. And as I said, it gives you the picture of what it's supposed to look like, your instructions, and then it gives you the outline of what you're actually doing the cross stitch on, and then it has what floss you use for each of the tiny little squares. Yeah, so mainly, as I said, when I do cross stitch, I don't know if you can see, if I bring it up, it's just a little X. And that's pretty much all I do. I just do a little X, and it will tell me on here, this is an 11 count cross stitch. And so it will say that when you use your floss, each one of these little strands of thread, there's 6 tiny, yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but there's 6 tiny little threads that are there. So you want to split them out. So you use 3 strands when you do an 11 count cross stitch. So that's what I'm doing. So in your kits, so like when you buy any of the cross stitch kits on the website of sevengreat.com, they give you the floss. Yep, they give you all your floss for your whole project, and it's all labeled in number form, and that matches what's on your instruction manual. You get a key with all the instructions. You get 80 cloth. So see, it's a white cloth with like little tiny holes, little dots in it. And then it's stamped, so the pattern of the actual item that you're doing the cross stitch for is on here, and also the key is on here too. So this is where you're actually going to be putting all the thread. And then it's nice, they give you a, yeah, as I said, I think there's 5. So in here there's 5 little embroidery needles. So these are embroidery needles for cross stitch, and they just put it in a little pom-pom just to keep it. But again, I bought the cute little pin cushion, so we'll just take one out. If I can take one out of the little thing. Yeah, so here it is. Here's my pin cushion. Here's the needle, and as I said, I can just set them all up. Can you see? Put it against my black hair, and then you'll be able to see it. But yeah, see, just put all your little in the little pin cushion so they don't lose them. And then they gave me a needle threader to use on that to put the floss in. So a really awesome needle threader, and also a little thimble. As I said, you can put them on your thumb or use them on any of your fingers, and you'll be able, as I said, because sometimes people like to put them on their finger, so like when they're doing the embroidery, they can like push the needle from the back to come up front, just like that, so that they're not hitting their finger. So it's always good to have a little thimble as well. All right, so this was the only thing I was going to showcase here in this video. Again, it's just a little over 10 minutes, but I just wanted to showcase those were the 3 items I got. This is just a little unboxing for the Sevengreat cross stitch company, which I definitely suggest you guys just go check out. I said use my coupon code and check out the website, which I'll put all the links down below if you want to check them out. They have I mean, this is just small amount compared to what's on the website. If you want any type of picture under the sun, they have it there. And they also have you always see lots of deals and discounts, and they'll always have great sales, like even shipping. You always check to see if they have any good shipping sales going on too, like discounts. So yeah, so always just go check out that as well, and I believe you're able to use it along with my coupon code. Okay, so this was just the unboxing video that I wanted to do for you today. And I probably in a couple of days, I will post us doing the cross stitch together, and I'll kind of just do a little tutorial just to show you or get you started on actually how do you do a stamped cross stitch, and then we'll just do that together and it'll be a lot of fun. All right, so if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I do so much variety here on my channel. As you can see, I'm getting into those fun savings challenges. Anyway, but all of the things with my videos and arts and crafts, I really enjoy doing arts and crafts videos and a variety of other things here on my channel. So please come back. I'm always doing really fun things. And again, my name is Jenny, and my channel name is The Cottage Thread, because I really do enjoy doing embroidery and cross stitch and lots of craft projects and arts and craft projects here on my channel. So that's kind of like the vibe of my channel. So that's why I named my channel The Cottage Thread. All right, everyone. I will talk to you soon. I hope everyone has a great rest of your week. Okay, bye now.